Today, I'll show you the Harmony Courtyard 1010 square embroidery tutorial. Following the diagram, bring the needle up at point 1. Then insert the needle at point 2. This completes the starting step. Next, bring the needle up at point 3. Insert the needle at point 4. Be careful not to prick your fingers. Then bring the needle up at point 5 and insert it at point 6. Just follow the steps patiently. It's actually quite simple. For most of the remaining section, repeat the stitches according to the diagram. Next, follow the captions at the bottom of the video and complete each step in order. Insert the needle at point 10. Bring the needle up at point 11. Insert the needle at point 12. Bring the needle up at point 13. Insert the needle at point 14. Bring the needle up at point 15. Insert the needle at point 16. Bring the needle up at point 17. Insert the needle at point 18. Bring the needle up at point 19. Insert the needle at point 20. Bring the needle up at point 21. Insert the needle at point 22. Bring the needle up at point 23. Insert the needle at point 24. Bring the needle up at point 25. Insert the needle at point 26. Bring the needle up at point 27. Insert the needle at point 28. Bring the needle up at point 29. Insert the needle at point 30. Bring the needle up at point 31. Insert the needle at point 32. Bring the needle up at point 33. Insert the needle at point 34. Bring the needle up at point 35. Insert the needle at point 36. Bring the needle up at point 37. Insert the needle at point 38. Bring the needle up at point 39. Insert the needle at point 40. Bring the needle up at point 41. Insert the needle at point 42. Bring the needle up at point 43. Insert the needle at point 44. Bring the needle up at point 45. Insert the needle at point 46. Bring the needle up at point 47. Insert the needle at point 48. Bring the needle up at point 49. Insert the needle at point 50. Bring the needle up at point 51. Insert the needle at point 52. Bring the needle up at point 53. Insert the needle at point 54. Bring the needle up at point 55. From this point on, secure the thread after every stitch. Use the same method in similar tutorials. When you return to point 1, start securing the thread. This keeps the pattern neat and attractive. Next, continue following the diagram and to finish the remaining section. Bring the needle up at point 59. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 60. Bring the needle up at point 61. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 62. Bring the needle up at point 63. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 64. Bring the needle up at point 65. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 66. Bring the needle up at point 67. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 68. Bring the needle up at point 69. Secure the thread. Insert the needle at point 70. The overall pattern isn't very complicated, but you still need to follow each step patiently. Finally, insert the needle at point 72. The 1010 squares 1010 diamond stitch is complete. We hope you enjoy this wonderful embroidery design as much as we do. I make.